In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt and decrypt documents in Microsoft Word. Protecting your documents with encryption ensures that only authorized users can open and read the content. Microsoft Word provides a built-in feature that allows you to encrypt a file with a password, keeping sensitive information secure. Similarly, decrypting a document allows you to remove or enter the password to access protected content. This feature is especially important for business reports, confidential letters, or any document containing personal data. To begin encrypting a document, open the Word file you want to protect. Once your document is open, go to the File tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen and select Info from the sidebar. Here, you will see options for protecting your document. Click on the button labeled Protect Document and then choose Encrypt with Password from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a password. Type a strong password that you can remember, but avoid using easily guessed words or common phrases. After entering the password, click OK. Word will then ask you to re-enter the password to confirm it. Once confirmed, your document is now encrypted, and anyone attempting to open it will need to enter the correct password. To decrypt a document, open the encrypted file in Word. You will be prompted to enter the password before the document can be accessed. Type the correct password and the document will open normally. If you want to remove the encryption entirely, go back to the File tab, select Info, click Protect Document, and choose Encrypt with Password again. In the dialog box, delete the existing password and click OK. The document will no longer require a password to open. It's important to remember your password because Microsoft Word cannot recover encrypted documents if the password is lost. Always store passwords securely and consider using a password manager for added safety. By encrypting and decrypting your Word documents, you can ensure that sensitive information stays protected and only accessible to authorized users. This feature is simple to use but adds a significant layer of security to your files. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.